Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on ratio and proportion and an iGCSE, GCSE, even GED type question. Now, this question is at the high end of the foundation tier and at the lower end of the high tier. So there is an overlap in terms of ability. Now, it says Sheila estimates the height of a tree by holding a ruler such that the height of the tree is exactly covered by the ruler. It says Sheila's horizontal distance from the tree is 20 meters. The ruler is 30 centimeters long. The horizontal distance of the ruler from Sheila's eyes is 60 centimeters. And then it says, what is Sheila's estimate of the height of the tree? Right. Now, this can be done in a few ways. It can be done by what's called the stick method, which Sheila is using here, or it can be done by elevation method, which involves angles, and so on and so forth. Now, this stick method is not unlike what you do in your science laboratory when you want to find the focal point of a lens. So the focal point here will be where Sheila's eyes are, and the distance from the object to Sheila's eye, we call that D, and the distance of the image to Sheila's eyes, we call that capital D, and that's equivalent to the distance from the tree to Sheila's eye in this case. Okay. Now, the height of the object of the sphere in this case will represent the height of the ruler itself, and call that little h. The height of the tree will be equivalent to the height of the image in this case. I will call that capital H. Now, ratios. The ratio of the height, capital H, to the distance from the tree to Sheila's position is capital D. So the ratio of H to D is equal to the ratio of little h to little d there. Now we can write this as capital H over capital D divided by small case h divided by small case d, or you can write it as capital H to small case h divided by is equal to capital D divided by small case d. So now, if we now have some numbers, if we now put in some numbers, now capital H divided by 0.3 meters, 0.3 being the height of the ruler, is equal to 20 meters, which is the distance from the tree to where Sheila is standing, divided by 0.6 meters, which is the distance from the ruler to Sheila's eyes. So H then becomes 20 times 0.3 divided by 0.6, and it gives us an H value of 10 meters. So the height of the tree is now 10 meters. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye now.